Hear me out. Your reputation is more valuable than chasing quick profits. These days, many online entrepreneurs are flexing their lifestyle, their watches, cars, penthouses, and many other things that you could imagine just to sell a course. And sure, lifestyle marketing can be effective and actually works because you're showing people that you have the money and you can teach them how to make money. However, these online entrepreneurs are overusing it right now and just makes you or labels you as a scammer instantly. So you become irrelevant over the years and you end up with nothing at the end. So people are starting to see through this hype and find that there is no valuable thing in these videos. If you want to create a genuinely great product that lasts for years, or you just want to avoid being scammed once again, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to avoid these red flags when selling a course, the reason why I believe lifestyle marketing is not recommended, and how you can create a product without being called a sellout. The number one and the biggest red flag is excessively showing your lifestyle and flexing everything. For every single video that you make, you have your glasses here, you have one watch showing, you have flexing another Rolex, you're flexing another Lamborghini, you're flexing your penthouse, you're flexing women, and all of that. I'm telling you, this labels you as a scammer instantly. And you might have the goodwill, you're like, oh, I'm flexing this so people believe me. I'm telling you that the reputation that you will have in the long term is gonna be really bad. The promise is like, you can make 20k a month as a complete beginner in 30 days. It's too good to be true. And maybe you have the goodwill, and maybe you really want to help that person, but that claim is very bold and just crazy. As a beginner, someone who's never done a business can make 20k in 30 days. Come on. Avoid using generic sales pages. I'm telling you, avoid just copy pasting a template and putting your copy out there, because it's just similar as others, and you put testimonials that are non-existent, or testimonials where you don't see the face of the people. It just doesn't click. So you have to be careful with that. Add the real testimonials. And if you don't have real testimonials, well, tell people that you've helped. Tell them to give you some compliment. You don't need to lie. When you give value for free, you don't need to lie. Another one is to avoid over promotion. Let's say you don't make lifestyle videos, but you make valuable content. But every single video that you make, you are over promoting. You're promoting every time your course. In the middle of the video, by the end of the video, you're just being a sellout at the end of the day. Let me give you an example. You've been creating content for a long time, good value, nice, cool. And then once you sell a product, your content shifts. Your content is not about them. Your content is about you just making money and promoting every time in your mails. That's really a red flag, and that's going from this, oh, cool product, to just everyone calling you a sellout. Be careful. Now we have the problems with lifestyle marketing. I believe that lifestyle marketing works. It's a really great strategy. It's a smart strategy. But the problem is that when you make that kind of videos, your viewers will have super high expectations when they buy your product. And then they'll end up disappointed, or they end up refunding because it's not what I expected. And you are also attracting a younger audience and a naive audience as well, because when you make those type of content, they come only to watch the lifestyle content, the vlogs. But when you post valuable content like I'm doing right now, they're not gonna watch, because they just want to know, or they just want to follow their desires. Oh, this guy is making $10K a month, this guy is traveling here, this guy is doing this and doing that, but they don't know that the real thing, or they don't follow the thing that actually is valuable. They don't take action. They just dream, bro. They just dream. So when you sell the dream, then your normal videos, they just don't get pushed. And it worked. I'm gonna give you an example. As like me, I used to make day in the life videos, non-flashy or none of that, but whenever I'm posting day in the life, my views were like 10,000. But then when I was posting a how to create a landing page, my views were like 100 views. And then I understood, okay, when you teach people what you did, how you did it, but not in a lifestyle, flashy way, they won't watch, because it's not entertaining. So you have to be careful with that. You have to be careful with the type of content that you make, because you're going to target a different audience that you expected to. Maybe you want to target business owners, but with your lifestyle video, it's not going to attract them. They're not attracted to it. There's this quote by Alex Hormozy where he said, if you want to impress poor people, outspend them. And if you want to impress wealthy people, outwork them. Makes sense, right? So how can you sell a course or a product the right way without being called a sellout? Well, number one, and the most important thing, is to give everything. Do not gatekeep at all. Give everything for free. Give the information and sell the implementation. Let's say you're making content about how to become a great freelancer, for example. You have to give every value, like how to make the cold calls, how to close the clients, everything for free. Everything that you would put in a course, just put it out. And people won't come for you for the information. They would want the personalization. They want you to coach them. Even if they have everything, they don't know how to handle it. And have the goodwill, the intention. Don't be self-centered. Don't be egotistical. Don't think about yourself only. Think about how you can serve people. There's this principle of persuasion, which is the reciprocity. When you give to someone, genuinely give to someone without expecting to get something in return, you'll see how many times those people, they'll actually beg you to sell them a course. I'm telling you, it actually worked with me. I did it with one of my community members, and he messaged me privately and told me, please sell me a course. I'm not selling anything. I didn't know what to sell. I was like, what do you want? Like, what did I give you? He's like, you've given me so much value that I feel obligated to pay you. I was like, wow. So it does work that when you genuinely do it. But if you do it for your own benefit, it's not going to work. And avoid using manipulation tactics. Avoid using scarcity when you don't have anything to scarce. Avoid using urgency when there is no urgency. Avoid over-promoting. Avoid manipulating, using words that are manipulating and that you know that it will tap into their feelings. Don't do that. And listen to your audience. Be with them. Be authentic. Okay, talk with them. Have a community. Because when you're in a community and you talk with them not every day, but once a week for free, they're like, oh, I feel like I need to pay him because he's a human. He's a human. He's not like others. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is how you will not become a sellout. This is how you sell a course that people will be happy for you selling a course. That's it. Peace out.